Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my Allah is also fine, doing well and in good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please yours also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So the videos over today being some special beautiful crochet dog sweater ideas. So please you must watch my video till then. It's a beautiful ideas for your sweet pet, dog, animal. Most demanding collection, most likely collection. And please like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And good comment in comment section. You can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet dog sweater. Beautiful ideas and beautiful colors. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Bye bye.